Hey everyone, what's up? Mark Price here, devslopes.com, and this is a short video on how to run Mac on a PC. Maybe you don't have a Mac computer and all you have is a PC and you want to try and get Mac running on it. So what you should do is open up a browser and just type in Run Mac on PC. And the video that you actually want is right here, how to install Mac OSX, this one right here. Okay, so here's the guy. This is the best video I've found. Goes through the whole process in depth. I'm not going to do it for you because this guy just knows his stuff and can help you out. Now, with that being said, I have a very powerful PC in addition to my Mac. And I actually tried to follow these steps and it didn't work because it does not work on all PCs. And mine's about 5 years old. So you got to have a newer one if you want this to work. And so my recommendation to you is that you get it working before you attempt to take this class or buy it. Because I wouldn't want to tell you that it's absolutely going to work because it doesn't work on all computers. With that being said, if you want to be a professional developer, if you really want to get in this industry, and if you really want to be an iPhone developer either as a full-time programmer or making your own apps, you've got to get a Mac. Now, if you're a programmer in general, you've got to get out of the ideas of being biased towards one platform or another. Oh, I hate Mac. I hate Apple, I hate Steve Jobs, whatever, or on the flip side, I hate PC, I hate Linux, whatever. I hate Android. You gotta stop. You gotta be technology agnostic, and you've got to start loving them all. True developers and good developers know how to use multiple platforms. So, I recommend that you get a Mac, and there's a few different ways that you can do it for a fairly cheap price. First off, you can go to Google and type in Apple refurbished. Okay. A refurbished computer is basically a computer that had some problem and they took out the problematic part and put a brand new one in. So it's almost like, well, it's really like a brand new computer, but they legally can't call it a brand new computer. It's refurbished. So just think of getting a new computer. And what I would recommend is this one right here, the refurbished MacBook Air. Okay. And so if you go down to the left-hand side over here, just click MacBook Air 13. We'll see all the ones that they have available. And here's some refurbished ones they have available. You get really good computers for a lower price, and you're like $1,000. That's so cheap. That's too expensive. Well, you got to invest in yourself. Okay. I don't want to sound rude or mean, but you got to invest in yourself if you're really serious about doing this. In real life, in person, the people who take my boot camps, we make everyone get Macs because they're so prevalent, especially in the world of open source technologies. Not talking about Apple, but in general, if you want to use open source technologies, they're really starting to cater towards Macs. Okay. Another option is Best Buy Open Box. Okay. And what I like to do is just click right here and look at all their open box stuff. And so click computers and tablets. And that's cool, but we don't want PCs, we want Macs. So let's go ahead and find the Macs. If I can, well, let's click laptops. Okay, and then here we go. Here's the brand. You click Apple. Okay, and they have some refurbished computers here as well too. You can find them. I actually got a really nice MacBook Air for like $680, a 13-inch one. It was on Ultra Sale. By the way, at Best Buy, if you're really nice, you can talk to the store manager and say, hey, I'm trying to learn something new. I don't have a whole lot of money. This is an open box. Can you give me a discount? I've done that before, and they'll actually give you like another $50 or even $100 off. So Best Buy is a great place to go and get a used MacBook. I would get a MacBook Air. Very powerful. Runs everything you need to do. So again, if you're really serious about making iPhone apps, okay, get a Mac. You can try and install it on a PC. I can't guarantee it's going to work. It didn't work for me. It does work for lots of people though. So anyway, there's some free advice for you. Here's the URL. This guy's great. And I hope you can get this up and running and take this course. Invest in yourself, and let's get to it. Let's get to work.